done it again. He's done it again.
Come single guy and gal unto me, pay attention, don't ever fall in love.
It's the devil's own invention.
For once he fell in love with the maiden so bewitching.
Miss Henrietta Bell.
Down in Captain Kelly's kitchen. Turaluralai, 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 turaluralai.
At the age of 17, I apprenticed to a grocer not far from Stevens Green,
Where Miss Henry used to go, sir.
her manners were sublime. She set my heart a twitching when she invited me to a party in the kitchen.
Turaluralai, 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 turaluralai. Sunday was the day that they were to have their flare-up. He dressed himself quite
I
gay.
trimmed and oiled my
The
hair.
captain had no wife, and he had gone a fishing.
She groped me on the stairs beneath the old man's
With
kitchen.
turaluralai, 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 turaluralai.
Her arms around my waist, she slyly hinted marriage.
When Juliet Doran Hayes came Captain Kelly's carriage, her eyes were full of hate.
And poison she was spit.
The captain kicked the door in and